Hey everyone, GATORMOM here. I hope you're having an awesome start to your week. Today I have a jujube review and packing video to share with you. This backpack here is the Ballad backpack and it is a midnight Posy. Alright, so I have this backpack all packed up for a typical night out at my son's basketball practice or a game day, or if we are venturing into like a park or a community event or something like that. It is packed full of activities and snacks for all three of my kids and my husband and I. I really like this Ballad backpack and kind of the way that it has been packing. I've been grabbing for it a lot more frequently than I thought I was going to be. Which is why it's kind of still in my collection. I like this midnight Posy print. I find that it's been matching a lot and I think it's really cute for spring. It looks adorable with like jean shorts or like cut off like capri type jeans and like Converse shoes. I just find that it's really going with a lot that I've been wearing, so I've been grabbing for it a lot. I have taken it to a theme park before, and my only complaint about all day long kind of theme park style is I was missing the external bottle pockets for long days out, but for like evenings or just like a couple hours out, I was not missing those bottle pockets at all. I know a couple of you were asking me about that. I got a couple of like messages about that, so that was not something that I was missing. I find that it keeps the backpack really light on the body and kind of keeps it streamlined. So in my opinion, that wasn't something for an everyday backpack that I was missing at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the packing portion of this video so that you guys can see everything that I have packed inside. Like I said, tons of activities, tons of snacks. My kids are now, I was gonna say 3, he is not 3, 5 and 8 and 10. So we're in the tons of activities and tons of snack stage of life. So that's kind of what all is in here. On the front of the Ballad backpack here, you have one pocket here that is felt lined, so it's perfect for electronics. I just have my cell phone in there, but to be honest, it's usually on the body, so I don't really keep a lot in this front pocket here. You also have another kind of hidden pocket over here, which is really cool. And in here, I just have a package of wet ones and then some Kleenex. I don't tend to put a lot in this pocket because I keep a lot in the bulk of the backpack. So this pocket tends to get really bulky if I put a lot in it. So usually it's just like thin like papers or wipes or whatever that goes in there. On the side of the bag, you do have one kind of external pocket over here that you can put like bottles in, or a small like 9-ounce swell bottle I believe would fit in that pocket. I tend to just put kind of catch-all stuff for me. This is kind of like my mommy pocket, if you will. That's kind of what I make it for, just so I can grab everything that I need really quick. I have a Perfectly Posh hand cream that I really like. I just have my pill case, my eye drops, some hand sanitizer. I also have my keys down in there. I have a chapstick, and then I believe that is it. I usually sometimes have gum and whatnot in there too. Tons fit in this little tiny side pocket, and it just makes it really easy to kind of grab. So that's also another really good pocket for like sunscreen or bug repellent. When I was at the park, that was another pocket I was using for that. Over on this side of the bag, there actually is no pocket. And then on the back of the bag, I'll give you kind of a look of it. You have just a blue kind of background and really nice padded backpack straps with an awesome grab handle. So now I'm gonna turn the bag back around, and I think I'm gonna leave it just like it is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it just like it is and go ahead and open it up. I was gonna set the camera up, but I think you guys can see kind of a good angle here. You do have 2 zipper pulls here, and it unzips pretty much the full length of the bag there, and it opens up nice and wide. You have a ton of pockets inside this bag, so if you didn't want to pack with any pouches, you really wouldn't have to. I like to pack with pouches just because of the age of my kids. It's easier to just kind of throw at them whatever it is that they're looking for in the bag. Right here on top, I just have a package of boogie wipes. Earlier, I just had a package of regular baby wipes that I was throwing here on top. Being like at the basketball field, their hands are always getting like, or basketball court, their hands are always getting like dirty. So if we're having a snack or something, I always just have wipes or whatever there on top. Right over here on the side, this is a 17-ounce swell bottle. Mainly for me are my other 2 My son, of course, that's playing, he kind of has his own water bottle. I also throw in a couple of Capri Suns, usually down in here, and then I'll sometimes just throw some at the cavity here at the top, again, for my other kids. And then right here in the back, this is just a little kind of notebook I've been using lately to jot down things that I need, like to-do list wise, so that's really mine there. I don't have my planner or anything like that in there for me right now, so that's why I just carry like a little notebook. If I'm like watching practice or a game or something, or the kids playing at the park, I can just get that out and like jot it down. Then right here I have a Be Dapper, and it's actually full of snacks. This thing is so awesome for snacks. I can really fit a lot in here. I think I have like 5 or 6 little like mandarin oranges and tons of Go Squeezes. There's like granola bars for days in here, little like sweet treats and gummies. It's like full of snacks. And then I always keep right here in this little zipper pocket here in the front, I have like a couple paper towels and some Ziploc baggies for like trash from the peels from the oranges or whatever. So I can just put all of our trash in there while we're having the snacks, and then I can throw it away in the trash can like on the way out from like our chairs or whatever. So this thing is full of snacks and it works awesome. I can like throw this at the kids, they can eat snacks, and we're like good to go. And I love that it has like a handle here at the top. I can pull it out of the bag and it works like perfect. So that's what's in there. In this thing here is my youngest like favorite activity right now, and it is gonna cause me to go broke. This is those color, what are they called? They are those mess-free color wonder sheets. I'm actually gonna pull it out so I can show you guys. Let me see, put it up here on the table. They are the special markers. Yes, Color Wonder. They're the special markers that you can only color on the sheet of paper, and then they turn like whatever color the marker is. So like this one's blue, but it's clear, so it won't like get on anything that you're coloring, except for the special paper. But the special paper is like $1 million a sheet. So this kid is like burning through this paper, and literally it's like, it's kind of expensive. So if you guys know of like, maybe there's like a place online that I can buy this paper for cheaper, because like every pad of paper is like $7.99 or something, even on Amazon. But he loves it. He thinks it's the coolest thing, and you can like color, and it's like mess-free markers. I got it for them when we were going on our road trip, and he loved it. And so now it's like he wants to do it everywhere we go, but it's gonna cause me to go broke. But anyways, it's in there. He loves it. It keeps him busy, so I'm not complaining for the moment. But that's what's in there. There's 2 mesh pockets back here I don't have anything in, and then there's a protective sleeve back here. I just have a medium Lily Jade packing case in red, which looks so cute with Midnight Posy. I have a like word search book, a chapter book for my daughter, another little notebook, and some pens over here. This is just like her little art kind of busy case. It's clear here on one side, and then you have the canvas here on the back. So this is just a little activity thing for her. Then in the front here, there's 2 mesh pockets that match the mesh pockets back here. And there's 2 more things. I have a little box here of a game that, again, is like another awesome road trip thing that I got the kids on our recent vacation. It's called Dog Pile. My son has this one and my daughter has one that's called Cat Pile. It is the coolest puzzle game ever. A little on the pricey side. I want to say it was like $14.99 or something like that, but it is seriously the coolest game ever. Look it up. Like you'll like my kids love it. It is perfect for on the go. Highly recommend that one. They love it. Then in here I have a small set piece, and this is just a little mini like first aid kit. I have some anti-itch Benadryl because it is like my kids have bug bites, and I have Neosporin and tweezers, some like gauze pads and like band-aids. It's just like a little mini med kit because we definitely need it right now. So that is everything I have packed up inside the Ballad backpack. You can definitely fit a fuel cell in here if you guys prefer that for like snacks and on the go and all of that. It's a great little backpack. I know you guys have been waiting for this review. I've had it requested a couple of times. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments about it, as always, feel free to leave them below, and I will talk to you all soon and on my next video. I hope you have an awesome day.